So, Seedance's 4K has solved the issue of high image quality, but we still have 3 challenges left. Can we have longer descriptions? Can we have more references and stronger editing capabilities? Of course, these have already exceeded the scope of Seedance 2. So next, we are going to introduce a new protagonist.
Since early this morning, multiple abnormal incidents have been reported across different parts of the world.
Stay with me. What happened? Turned into a paper cutout. Don't bend him.
No. No, my prompt.
Hello?
Is it fixed yet? We're about to play your video at the event.
There's been a small, unexpected issue. I'll fix it right away. Just...
Phew! Isn't that absolutely stunning? This is the all-new Dabao video generation model, Seedance 2.5. Currently, the new model is at the tail end of its internal beta testing phase, and it will officially meet everyone in early July. The video just now showed you an edited AI world, and it also embodies the 3 important upgrades of Seedance 2.5 this time. First, the maximum single video generation length is up to 30 seconds, ranking first globally. Video creation supports the combined input of up to 50 all-modality assets. At the same time, it possesses more flexible and controllable video editing capabilities. Over the past year or so, video generation models have made rapid progress in realism, controllability, and consistency. But duration remains a very critical factor controlling the development of AI videos. Similar model products on the market only support up to 15 to 20 seconds of direct output. This time, Seedance 2.5 has directly broken through the bottleneck, capable of generating single videos of up to 30 seconds in length. This makes the camera expression more coherent, and it can also significantly improve creation efficiency and final product quality. In addition, the multi-reference capability has always been one of creators' favorite Seedance features. This time, Seedance 2.5 has also significantly upgraded this capability. We support the combined input of up to 50 all-modality assets, the most globally. Next, let's look at an example. We input the image assets of more than a dozen actors at once to see how the model orchestrates them.
Everyone, enjoy this party!
cheers to tonight. May I have this dance?
Isn't the orchestration absolutely perfect? Beyond understanding more assets at once, maintaining the stability of the assets during the generation process is equally critical. Here we are actually demonstrating a scenario just mentioned in Lubo's speech, the pre-visualization of a white model in film and television production. We input a very complex white model of a spaceship with a complexity approaching 100,000 polygons. At the same time, providing a reference for the rendering material, we let Seedance 2.5 generate a rendered video to simulate the corresponding camera shots. The difficulty of this task lies in the fact that the spaceship itself contains a massive amount of detail, including structure, proportions, refined designs, and so on. So we need to maintain this structure and proportion during the slow push-in and extreme movement of the camera. At the same time, it must also complete the generation of the corresponding materials, lighting, and space, as well as the camera choreography. From the results, we can see that the main outline of the spaceship, its proportional relationships, and its complex structures have all been very stably maintained. This also means that in professional creative workflows, the massive amount of assets, designs, and camera choreography invested by creators in the early stages can be stably inherited by the model, making creation more controllable and efficient. Finally, let's take a look at the editing capabilities of Seedance 2.5. Our new model can support very flexible video editing functions like this. Creators can modify local content individually while keeping the overall picture unchanged, such as fine-tuning the background, replacing demonstration products, showcasing models, and so on. Let's look at an advertising example.
Shade 11 today. Let's see how it looks up close on the lips.
Aujourd'hui, je teste la teinte 11.
今日は11番を試してみます
Hoy voy a probar el tono 11.
오늘은 11호 컬러를 발라볼게요
आज मैं 11 नंबर शेड लगाकर देख रही हूँ.
Okay, this ad solved my dilemma of choosing a lipstick. The localization and personalization of advertising content is actually just one application scenario of Seedance 2.5's editing capabilities. What's actually more crucial is that, with the improvement of such editing capabilities, it allows video models to further empower physical industries. We can see that we can have Seedance 2.5 automatically generate video manuals for products. By inputting pictures and functional descriptions, it can output standard videos in multiple languages and for multiple countries, significantly compressing the content generation and production costs for the manufacturing and retail industries. At the same time, we see that the embodied AI industry is already using Seedance 2.5 to synthesize this data, and through 2.5 we can actually synthesize it better, capable of generating high-quality videos across multiple scenarios and multiple perspectives. Used for robot annotation and simulation, this reduces the cost of data collection and accelerates model iteration. Meanwhile, in the field of autonomous driving, we can also use Seedance to synthesize extreme weather, rare road conditions, and other corner cases. This supplements the blind spots in training coverage. It allows autonomous driving systems to maintain more stable performance across more edge scenarios. This also formally demonstrates that once video generation models cross the qualitative threshold of production grade levels, their accumulated understanding of the physical world is becoming an important foundation for world models. I think this is the even greater value of Seedance.